This is the Starship test flight, explained minute by minute. So we'll lift off in about 3 seconds, and boom, a massive debris cloud of all the dirt and like concrete on the launch pad is lifted up in the air. And it finally launches 6 seconds in flight. And the reason it launched kind of late is because they don't put it in full throttle until like 6 seconds because because this is the most powerful rocket made in the world. If something goes wrong with this, it'll be very like bad and create a massive explosion. So we can already see that three engines have not working. One possible theory about why these three engines aren't working is that debris hit the engines from the massive like dust cloud and debris cloud when it lifted off. So this is one theory why those three engines are not working. And also you can notice those two engines on the top side are right next to each other. So that's also more possible theory. But while talking, another engine has fell off, as you can see the blank square right there. But anyway, everything is going pretty normal except for those four engines. Except one thing, it's going pretty slow. This it should be going much faster, but it's because now five engines have cut off now, and which is actually decreasing the speed of the rocket by a lot. Because even though there's 33 engines on here, meaning that like there's be one engine for 30% thrust, every single engine you lose is more like 7% because a lot of these engines are just being used to fight gravity. So the remaining engines are actually like moving up forward. Most of the engines here are just using to fight gravity. But yeah, but other than that, it's going pretty normal. It could still like make it there. It could still make it to space, which is okay. But yeah. So yeah, so now we pass the 1700, about to reach the 1700 kilometer per hour, right? And about 2 minutes in flight, we get a view from the second stage of the Starship rocket, and a really gorgeous view of of the second stage engines, which you can see their flight trajectory on the right, and it's just rolling. It's rolling kind of excessively. It should not be rolling like this much, but it's gonna be like fine, I guess. Well, it would be okay. And now you might notice on the bottom that the our rocket is facing the other direction. This is called the boost back burn, and it's so the first stage can go back to the landing pad. And we can see now big problems arise. We can see right now that the rocket is spinning. It's spinning out of control, and these engines are just not being powerful enough to lift the rocket any further. So it's just spinning and spinning around. So it's spinning and spinning around, and they're about to get ready for a stage separation. However, the yeah, they probably won't because you can see the rocket is spinning around. They're losing altitude. They've already lost about 2 kilometers so far, and it's spinning around. You can see the white plumes on them, like trying to like orient it back, but it's kind of over. It's spinning around. But one thing that's really surprising about this is the fact that it's holding together. This is a really tall and like made with pretty thin metal, and it's surprising like how strong it is and able to like resist this amount of aerodynamic friction and force. But now the termination sequence was activated, blowing up the rocket to like save people, and that is it. Thank you for listening, and please consider subscribing. Here's some other videos you may like.